On the left-hand side, go to Apps, search for Border, and select Can Border. Select your border type if you want it to be solid or dashed. Select the border color. Adjust your margin. You can also adjust the border thickness. You can also come over to Advanced Settings. Select your aspect ratio. You can also adjust the corner roundness. And you can also adjust the blur. When you're finished, click Add to Design. And now this border has been added to my design. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.